Welcome back here, Always Outdoors New Hampshire with Outdoor Outlaw Jr. and Bryce. Our lovely Michelle as always. Adam and Graham. So this is an exciting time for us because Hunter has waited since last year to be able to do some kneeboarding. So we're out here tonight ready to do that. So we're gonna let him take a rip, and I'm excited for him. What an awesome day. It's hot. I actually went in the water. It's not even June yet. For me, that's really good. Hunter's been in the water a couple times, so that's just, not as big for him because he's a kid and he enjoys it. Bryce, have you been in the water, baby?
Well, yes, I don't have to swim myself.
Okay. And do you want to be in the water more?
Oh, yes.
Yes. And are you sitting here patiently waiting to fish?
Oh, yes.
Well, yes, because that's what you're all about. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, do you enjoy hanging out with Dorothy?
Yeah.
Okay. And is the sun in your eye, baby?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You want to turn a little bit, honey?
Yeah.
Yeah, let go this way, baby. Okay. How's this, baby?
Good.
Okay. All right. Well, I won't make you look at.
Hey, Dorothy.
Okay.
We're hitting it.
All right. Well, we're gonna hit it.
Yeah, live action.
All right. Well,
Kids
hold.
jumping in.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
You're ready.
All right, but don't. Wait a minute. You can't just. Okay. Let me
Oh,
just.
good. You already been
I'm a
swimming?
little bit nervous about how this is gonna
He's
go.
all
Okay. Wait a
set.
minute. Hold on.
Nothing to be
Sorry,
nervous
I'm
about.
just getting in.
Yeah, man. Straps all tight? Yeah, he did it. Because I didn't check him since last year.
I did it.
He readjusted.
All right.
All right, we go. Sitting still.
All right.
All right, come on. Pitch it tight. Shelly, you
Our first evening out
Get a hook in the back.
kneeboarding,
Joe, sit.
and Hunter's first night out kneeboarding. Awesome night. Woo
Sit.
woo.
Hey, selfie queen.
Okay.
Good. He tried.
Here we go. Get right.
Looking at the
Hunter's
sun.
waiting.
Hit it. Watch your Cheez-Its.
It's going, babe.
All right, baby. Everything's flying, you know.
I asked him if he's gonna remember how to do it. He seems to think he will. Okay, he's up. Woo! Nice. Like riding a bike. Well, at least for him. It wouldn't be for me, I guarantee it. He's in all his glory right now. When is he not in his glory? So we keep him pretty busy. But not all our days are perfect. We have some bad days, of course, like everybody else. I'm sure we have abundance of That's the first down of the season. Whoa. Nice.
I didn't watch it. Did he let go? Or?
I don't know. All I know is I saw him down quick.
Because I don't know if he saw all the waves.
No. What'd you think, baby?
There was perfect waves coming your way too. Setting you up.
Dude, you bit it pretty good, huh? Your nose hit the thing and went diving down in and boom.
Baby, you got water up your nose?
You're just gonna follow the rope and okay.
Oh.
We'll give you a minute.
That's like
Sit back down.
that's at least the second time you.
Make sure that thing doesn't get sucked up.
Yeah. Didn't you get
Not
water?
gonna get sucked
Grab
up.
the rope and just pull on it. There you go.
He got water up his nose
Pull it all
earlier
the way.
today too. Probably a couple times.
And we'll go forward. There you go. Yeah. Are you moving forward? Okay. Bryce, you want to sit back here now in this thing, or you like it up there?
Round two. out there. He's thinking on it. He's trying. Oh, yay! He's in one. Yeah. He's the weed whacker, too. It looks so pretty to me. All the rays of the sun. Oh.
Did you go swimming at the beach?
Yeah, man.
Did you go swimming at the beach?
Good job.
Yeah, I thought you almost had it when you brought that up over your head.
Yeah,
like that.
but John,
You
you're getting it. Nice, dude.
Jump in.
Yep. No, I'll lift you right in.
No, next time I'll bring it, okay?
I'll lift you in and you can. Oh yeah. Well, I gotta. Hey, why don't you kill it for a minute and I can pull this mess in here.
How was that, babe? All right. Well, you looked good, and I know you were in heaven, loving every second, except the water up your nose.
You need
Oh
the,
wow!
You need the net?
Hunter's got a big fish.
Do you need the net?
Probably oughta, just for shits and grins.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh wow! Oh wow!
The net right here.
It's a jumper.
yeah, bring it to me.
Oh!
That's a big one.
Wow! Oh, Hunter! Oh, wow!
Yeah.
Good slap.
Wow!
Just broke Adam's pole. Sorry, Adam.
Nice,
Going to Walmart.
dude!
No, I'll get one.
I gotta go.
Nice! Awesome!
Thing right to weigh it.
Dude!
Hang on, I got my
those.
Sickness!
I got my my scale.
Yeah, it's
Right
in
on
your
the.
hair.
Do we have the pliers?
I got some right here.
And the scale is underneath the seat.
Wow! Hunter, look at me! Hunter, look at me! Hunter, look at me! Nice! Awesome!
Well, I'm gonna hold it up in a sec.
Okay, good.
That's a nice bass.
I'm coming. Don't worry. It's a bass.
Oh my gosh.
I like
2 fish in like a minute.
Can I fly too?
Hang on, bud. Back up, okay?
You guys, I didn't even get the videos out from the last time we got fish.
Yeah.
I'll hold the fish if you.
And Graham got a big pickerel earlier
Good.
off our dock.
That's awesome.
And Hunter swam with the big bass earlier too. Right, babe?
That is awesome.
There's a lot going on and woo! We're loving it. Nice.
Down there.
Wait,
Nice.
do it real quick, yeah. Got it?
Oh, ho, ho, ho. What do we got?
Easy now. Easy now.
About a pound. Yeah, it's not really.
Nice.
It's just big.
Yeah.
Mom get a pick?
No, I'll just do it from the vid, I
You
guess.
good? I get this one back in.
Yeah.
You good?
Good job.
Nice.
I thought I got weeds. He pulled good.
Oh yeah. Come on, that was like 1 kilogram. Where that was.
Jeez.
I'd say that was probably 2.5 pounds.
Nice.
That's awesome.
Nice, Hunter. Way to take big fish so far.
Okay, let's keep it moving.
That was good. Well, it was worth it.
Yeah.
Croppie cooking the fish, you know, stepping on it.
Yeah,
Yeah, you can
that
still
was a big massive fish.
All right, so
Stop.
rumor has it that Michelle has a fish.
Nice.
That's a nice one.
What's it, a crappie? You guys said
like the same one
crappie,
you caught.
crappie.
Yeah. Look,
Ooh.
Michelle got a fish, bud.
Oh, that's nice. Yep.
Hold on, bud. We got some waves. Man, these lures.
Get it in there
I
good.
swear.
What do you think, Bryce?
Good.
Yeah.
Go, 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 go.
Woo!
Hold on, don't overstep me.
Here, move that pole in the lure.
That looks nice.
Whoa.
Then Michelle, don't forget to turn this way if you get to hold it.
See him?
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a nice one.
Smile.
Oh!
Poke at me.
Oh wow.
Yep.
Nice
Get a pic?
job, Michelle.
I'll take another one. Are you good?
Can I fly one? Can I fly
Touch it?
You want to touch him?
Nice.
Or her? Ready? You can do this. Nice.
All right, nice
Oh.
catch.
See, I can catch fish.
I know you're having better luck this year than you did last year. Is that cool, bud?
Fish.
Get off. Look. You're gonna run the step on the triangle. Nope.
So you were close.
All right,
I
so
thought you
the
said two,
Yeah.
around 2.5 something.
yeah, so it ended up.
Yeah.
So the fish ended up.
It was
That hunter
like
got was
2.25 pounds.
right.
Yeah.
That bass
Nice,
was like
healthy
2.25. Yeah.
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 Seems like these are the ones. If you go
Oh,
to
that
Walmart,
pollen's
you see
killing
these.
me.
Yeah, I did.
Those are the ones that I think I got them at Walmart.
Yeah.
They were in like a 5-pack.
They're good for pretty much anything.
That's what Michelle and I and
Like two.
And that's what you just.
That was almost a 3-pounder, baby.
They're like
Woo!
it's like a detached body on a metal.
yeah.
Nice job. So this boat is so hot tonight.
Another
Crappie, I think.
crappie.
Oh,
Okay, how come I want to call it? I mean, what's the correct? Is it crappie, crappie?
Crappie, same thing.
Oh, crap! It's a crappie. Oh, really?
here you got your net.
You get the net?
Yeah. The net.
Look at him.
That's
Good
a
job,
chunker.
There
Ray.
you go, bud.
Oh, nice, dude. There's your fish, man.
Yeah.
Here, look at me.
We haven't caught this many crappie in years.
Look at
Hey,
me.
Dorothy used to catch them all.
Look at me again.
I caught a 15
can, but right now it's breeding season.
You did.
Yeah, bud. You want to hold him? This ain't pretty.
That is cool.
Yeah, put your thumb just like this
Okay.
and pinch him, okay?
I hope he's not gonna.
What happened?
He's not gonna bite you. Look, put your thumb in just like this and pinch him.
But is he
Hold
gonna
him.
bite him?
No, hold him. He's not gonna bite you.
Yes, he is.
No, he's not.
No, he won't, baby.
Dude, that makes a big wave.
Okay.
Dude, look at that. Oh, you
Touch him. Touch him.
Go somewhere else.
Look, no, Daddy's gonna put
No, Daddy, it's okay, baby. Daddy might make you touch him if he's gonna bite you, baby.
Daddy will hold it, okay?
You just stand look cute, baby.
Stand right here. Okay?
Smile.
Look at that.
Smile.
I got a picture.
Good job.
Nice.
Right.
Awesome. Nice catch.
I went right by
12 inches.
12 inches. Good job.
Nice.
do you know what the blackbirds were that were flying?
Oh, fun. We need rain.
She's been waiting for this moment this whole night.
Oh.
Right.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Hey, big five.
You got to use the net, baby.
Now I just gotta do it with my neck. Hold on to it.
That lure in the water, Michelle.
Look at some big weeds.
That way. Bryce, come over here. We gotta go sit with that down. We're all done with that right now. Okay. These lures flying around for you to be walking all around. It's dangerous. Yeah.
I almost
keep
crossed your
line
line.
Hey, fish off the back of the boat. Keep your pole up.
He's got another one on the line.
I got one.
Is this
I say it's sunfish.
Is this the third one of the night for you?
Oh, nice.
Oh my.
You're a Sunfish king, ain't you?
Hey, now why
Nice
can't
job,
I do
babe.
the blue one?
Guys, the blue one is really loud. You don't need to hit that one.
Nice. You getting really good at manhandling the fish? All your expertise. My baby. Woo!
Oh, it's so cute.
Nice.
Can I see?
Sure.
Come here. Whoa.
You gotta give it a kiss for good luck.
Oh, oh my. Nice job.
I want
Oh,
to
you dropped it.
You want a kissy from a fishy?
Back, buddy.
That's a girl too.
Nice, Hunter. Well, it's been a great day and a great evening, and this boat was pretty hot with fish.
Yep, it's starting to get pretty active.
Oh, wow, awesome. Well, obviously the lures are working well,
Yep,
right?
sure.
So everyone's doing something right.
Absolutely.
Yep, so that's exciting.
Yep.
So thanks
Yeah,
for...
I see fish surfacing right in front of us, matter of fact.
Nice. Well,
Yeah.
we'll see if we get anything else, but
Doesn't
if we
know.
don't, we're going to head back in a little bit. And thanks for joining us on this awesome night, on our lucky night.
Oh, the sky looks so pretty.
Oh, wow. And we're looking forward to,
Another beauty tomorrow.
yeah, and an awesome summer full of fish, fun, sun, boating, floating. Yep, you name it.
Smoking
And it's
meat.
fun.
By the sound of
We're
it.
going to be doing it.
Where'd you come up with that one?
And we're looking forward to it.
Walmart had them.